Hey traders, it's Danielle. Today I'm going to tell you about a new setup that I found in Broadcom. This is not only one of my favorite stocks to own, but now one of my favorite stocks to trade, especially since it's split and there's much better volume and open interest in the options market. So let's take a look. Now, looking at this chart, there's a couple things that I'm going to point out. First of all, on the daily chart, look at this. We are just below that previous high. So whenever you have a relative strength stock and it's just below previous high, that can be a really good opportunity to make some options trades because it's a relative strength winner. Now, looking at my Fibonacci targets to the upside here, I have a target at 272 and then 280. So as an options trader, I'm always going to stick with that key psychological value because that is where you have the most volume in the options market. So I like 280 as a price target. If you go ahead and look at these lower time frame charts, what you will see is that we have multiple squeezes setting up. So I love squeezes in the market, especially when I'm trading a ticker in a directional manner. And this is because what that is that's going to be consolidation that is very likely to break out and break out soon. So when you have this consolidation right here, you can see that, the price is just kind of stuck in a zone. That means it's likely going to break out. And you know what? Today, since it was up 1.51%, we had this nice green candle. We have volume coming in and we have momentum shifting. I'm betting that breakout is going to be pretty soon. So if you want to check out how to trade this setup, what you can do is you can join us in the Mastering the Trade room. There's a couple different ways you could do it. Probably butterfly. I love my butterflies. Butterfly around 280. You could even do 265 or 270 to use the easy target, what I like to call it, as this is a full extension target. Long calls. You can buy the stock, though I typically don't buy stock right near highs, generally trade the options. So if you want to join us and trade this in the Mastering the Trade room, click on the link below and I'll see you there. Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.